Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I will discuss about how to lock app on iPhone, on any iPhone after iOS 17 update. So how to lock any app on iPhone? So first of all, I will request from my all friends, please subscribe and share my YouTube channel. Press the bell icon for more latest video. So do not waste any time. First of all, fix this issue. So how to lock any app on iPhone? So first of all, I will recommend the shortcut app on your iPhone. So must be available. So is not available on your iPhone. So you have open the app store. So then you have download from here, install on your iPhone. So then you have searching is already available. So if they are not available on your iPhone, so then you have install from here, and then you have uh, in, download on your iPhone. Then you have open the shortcuts app. So you have click on central option automation. So you have click here, and then you have click on plus icon. So then you have create a personal automation. So then you have scroll app, then you have click on app, and then you have is opened, click here, and then you have choose the app. I have choose the camera app, and then done, and then you have click on next, and then you have search here timer or clock. So you have click here, and then start a timer for 1 second, and then you have click on next, and then you have ask before running. So then you have turn off, then you have do not ask again, and then you have turn, and his automation is create on your iPhone. Then you uh, check he is working my iPhone or not working. So then you have open the camera app, then he is working my iPhone 100% working. When I have touch ID is given, and then is open my camera app automatic. So hopefully guys, after watching this video you will all know. If you have any problem, so please let me know in the comments box. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Do not forget subscribe and share my YouTube channel. Allah Hafiz.